How to change phone number for WhatsApp account on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change phone number for your WhatsApp account on iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy. First things first, you want to simply open up your WhatsApp application. You should get an interface like this here. You can see I'm logged into my account. Now tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you should get an interface like this. Now you can see account option right here. You want to simply tap on account option. Now once here you can see various options: security, notifications, two-step verification, and change number option. You want to simply tap on change number option, and you can see here change number. You change number to migrate your account info, groups, and settings from your current phone number to a new phone number. You can't undo this change. You want to simply tap on next option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on next, you want to enter your old country code and your old phone number, and then enter in your new country code and new phone number. You can simply choose your country by tapping on country existing, showing up country here. You can see Nepal. You can choose to any other country, and then simply type in your number and then tap on next at the top right corner of your screen. It will send a verification code to your new number. You want to enter in the verification code here, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can change phone number on your WhatsApp account on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.